hours a day. Make sure you get it done, otherwise I might have to flick a couple of concerned emails to your parents. Right, you're like, I don't know why you decided to muck around all lesson when everybody else was doing what they needed to do. So if this continues next week, I'm going to be taking your phones for the whole week and you'll be writing in pen and detention. I think I might hold on to these over the weekend. Do you some good to have those screens for a while. Don't give me those looks. Your generation is constantly glued to your phones. Why don't you go have a good weekend and do something else?
A bunch of bullcrap that was. I mean, did Miss not see that everyone else had their phones out on the desks the entire time?
While you didn't.
Well, it was your doing in the first place. You put the video up on TikTok.
I barely use TikTok. It's Chinese spyware. Why would someone like me indulge in that?
I put up with a lot of garbage from you, Victor, but I swear, you push me and I'll shove. The video came from your boy Victor 123.
Guys, that's enough! Come on, we're nearly out of high school, not kindergarten, so I suggest we start acting like it. Look, we all messed up, okay? Zach, lay off Victor, and Victor, delete the video. Sorted? Okay, cool. Let's go. Look, I mean, come on, guys, maybe she's right. Like, how many hours a day do we spend scrolling on TikTok, watching a YouTube video, swiping right on?
Hey. Hey!
What in the...
Guys? Are you seeing this?
Zach, what's going on? Look, you need to see what's outside.
What?
Help me pick him up.
What are you talking about? I think we should go back inside.
I think that's a good idea, yeah.
I'm not going inside.
Don't! I think it's time to leave.
Okay.
There's Victor.
think they'll get through?
We'll see.
Who are you? Why would you take my friends from me like that? Who do you think you are?
We are the cleansers, the purifiers of this world. The ones to put the pieces back together that humanity ripped apart.
Your glorified humanity has destroyed this world in the seeking of themselves of advancement.
The people of Earth are obsessed with each other and themselves. They seek nothing less than to be God, which explains the swift societal reliance on digital technology. We are merely exploiting this opportunity to destroy the destroyers, drain the drainers.
As for your friends, they have been lucky enough to become a part of something greater.
Now, it is your turn. We'll let you do it yourself. Take it. What is it? Don't think I'm that bored.
Sorry guys. Looks like I'll be giving humanity another chance.
No!